Welcome students to our first online class. Your first chapter, Nutrition in Plants. Nutrition is the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Food लेने की जो तरीका होता है, लेने से जो ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट होती है, उस प्रोसेस को न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं. द वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड लाइक प्रोटीन्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स, विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. The nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, grow, repair damaged parts of our bodies, and provide energy to carry out life processes like digestion, respiration, circulation, everything. Whatever we do is being energized by the nutrition we take. That all we have known in our previous class. Like animals, plants also need nutrients to survive. So plants also need these nutrition to survive. Modes of nutrition in plants. Plants have two different types of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. So if we consider the definition of nutrition, it is the process by which an organism gets the nutrients needed for its growth and development. And autotrophic nutrition, it is the mode of nutrition by which a living organism makes its own food using simple substances like carbon dioxide, water, mineral and sunlight that it gets from its environment. So this type of process is known as photosynthesis, that we all know, and it is being carried out by the green plants, and organisms that exhibit this type of nutrition are called autotrophs. So in other words, we can say green plants are the autotrophs. Green plants are autotrophs and make their food by the process of photosynthesis. Now what is photosynthesis? It is the process by which green plants prepare their own food like glucose using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll that we all know. Requirements of photosynthesis. The materials required by green plants for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide that the plants get from the atmospheric air, water and minerals that they absorb from the soil, chlorophyll that they already have in their leaves, and sunlight from sun. Steps of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis involves the following steps. Carbon dioxide, the first component that is present in the atmospheric air, is taken in by the green leaves through the tiny pores present on the lower surface of the leaves. These pores are called stomata. The stomata are surrounded by guard cells that control the opening and closing of the stomata. Water and mineral. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots of the plants from the soil by the process of osmosis. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves and other parts of the plant by xylem vessels. Now xylem vessels are like pipe-like structures that pushes upward the water and minerals whatever the roots have absorbed up to the leaves where they are required for the process of photosynthesis. So the xylems run like pipes throughout the roots, stem, branches and ultimately to the leaves. They form a continuous path or passage for the water and mineral to reach the leaves. Chlorophyll, the plant green leaves that already have them. It is the green substance found in the leaves present in the cell organelle called chloroplast. The green color of the plant is due to the presence of chlorophyll in them. Wherever in plant you will get to see green color, think about it that that part of that plant has got chlorophyll. It traps the solar energy. Chlorophyll is the substance in the green plant that traps the solar energy, that is the sunlight. This energy is used to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water during the process of photosynthesis. The food prepared by the green leaves of a plant is in the form of a simple sugar called glucose. This glucose synthesized in the green leaves is then transported to different parts of the plant as sucrose. In the leaves it is prepared as glucose, but when they transfer this food to different parts of the plant, to stems, to branches, to fruits and flowers, to roots, it is transported in the form of sucrose, another variety of glucose, by another set of pipes other than xylem. Now this set of new pipes are called as phloem. The extra glucose that is saved from passing after passing to the other parts of the plant. The extra glucose that is saved is changed into starch and is stored in the leaves and other parts of the plant. In different plants it is stored in different parts. Like in potato it is stored in stem. In cabbage it is stored in leaves. These are the parts are different parts for different plants. Sunlight. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll present in the green leaves traps the solar energy. The solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. The chemical energy is stored in the form of carbohydrate, food or glucose in plants. So these are the components of photosynthesis and how they work. Now we will discuss about the importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis enables, that is, helps the green plants to make their own food. The survival, that is, existence of all animals in the world directly or indirectly depends upon the food made by the green plants. The oxygen released after photosynthesis used by plants and animals for respiration. Photosynthesis helps to maintain the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So these are the different aspects of autotrophic nutrition carried out by the autotrophs. These are the components required for this process of photosynthesis and importance of photosynthesis. The other part of nutrition and plant, that is heterotrophic nutrition, we will discuss in our next class. Till then, thank